There is also evidence suggesting that creatine supplementation could be beneficial for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets. Since dietary creatine is primarily found in meat and fish, those avoiding animal products often have lower baseline levels of creatine stored in muscle and brain tissue. Supplementation in these populations has shown larger cognitive benefits compared to omnivores, likely because their starting point is lower, making the impact of supplementation more pronounced. This is a compelling consideration for those using plant-based diets who may also experience mental fatigue during periods of intense study, work, or stress. Beyond the healthy population, creatine is even being studied as a potential therapeutic in neurological and psychiatric conditions, including depression, Parkinson's disease, and traumatic brain injury. In depression, for example, low brain energy availability and impaired mitochondrial function have been proposed as contributing factors. Some clinical trials suggest creatine can augment the effectiveness of antidepressant medications, particularly in women. Although more research is needed in this area, it offers an intriguing window into creatine's possible neuroprotective and mood-modulating effects. However, despite these promising findings, caution is still warranted. Creatine is not a universal cognitive enhancer, and results across studies remain mixed. Some trials have shown no improvement in cognitive performance among healthy, well-rested individuals. In such cases, the brain may already be operating at a high level of metabolic efficiency, limiting the added value of creatine. Furthermore, high doses, especially over long periods, can carry risks. While generally regarded as safe when taken in moderation, 3 to 5 grams per day, excessive or unsupervised use may place strain on the kidneys, particularly in individuals with pre-existing renal issues. Rare side effects such as bloating, gastrointestinal discomfort, or electrolyte imbalances can also occur in sensitive individuals. Another important concern is the overextension of creatine's benefits by the supplement industry. The growing trend of marketing creatine as a brain booster may tempt people to rely on it in place of more foundational lifestyle practices such as quality sleep, a balanced diet, physical exercise, and stress management. While creatine may help fill the gaps when energy is low, it is not a substitute for restorative rest or whole food nutrition. Nor should it be viewed as a standalone treatment for mood disorders or neurodegenerative conditions without clinical guidance. Nonetheless, the emerging science of creatine's role in brain energetics invites a reevaluation of how this simple compound fits into the broader picture of cognitive support. Its safety profile, affordability, and biological plausibility make it a unique and potentially valuable tool for people seeking to optimize mental performance under stress. Whether it's a student pulling an all-nighter, a night shift nurse, or an older adult experiencing mild cognitive fatigue, creatine might offer real benefits in the right context. Still, a personalized approach, ideally supported by healthcare guidance, remains the most responsible way to explore its use. In summary, creatine is no longer just a sports supplement. It's a growing area of interest in cognitive science. While it won't transform brain function overnight or elevate ordinary performance to extraordinary levels, its role in supporting ADP availability in neurons gives it a credible mechanism for benefit, especially under stress or deficiency. Used mindfully and in moderation, it may serve as one of the simpler and safer tools in the expanding landscape of brain health strategies.